9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, before I start the video and someone makes a comment, I didn't get a chance to make a video of grinding with this machine. I did use it, but I was there with just the rep and myself, and I didn't want the rep to hold my phone to film it. So, and then if I missed anything on the machine, forgive me. He was under a time limit to bring it out there, and he was nice enough to bring it out there for me to use it and try it. I think we spent maybe 20-30 minutes there. So if you can go to your dealer and you can get your hands on the machine and feel it and look at it even closer, this was just a fast, basic overview of the machine. It did grind well. There's some things that are different. It has a learning curve because you'll see it gives you two options, by remote control or by hand. You can have on two joysticks, okay? So it was a learning curve for me, and you know, honestly, anything's different. A different brand Bobcat, different brand dozer. After a day of running something, you start to develop what's called muscle memory, and it becomes second nature to you. You're not even looking. But I was having to look, and things were opposite from what I normally run. So let me start the video, and we'll do a walkthrough with him, and he'll show us different things about it, okay? So this is the SC48TX. When did this come out? This year?
It's September this year.
September, so September of 2023. All right, this is the swing out control. How many horsepower? It's 48, right?
48, yes, sir.
And I don't even have to ask you which motor it's running, because right there it says what it is. It's a Caterpillar. Somewhere right there, right?
Yep.
So it's a Cat 48 horse, turboed, and then does this have def or no?
No def.
No def. So it's just a tier 4. And then this is your fuel filter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that a Vermeer only part or no?
It's a cat part.
It's a Cat part. Okay, so everything basically in here is Cat.
Yes,
Okay, that. I forgot Cat and Perkins are together.
Yes, sir.
So I keep forgetting that crap. Anyway, all right. So it's a track machine, and it widens out or comes back into how skinny? 36?
36 inches.
36 inches. I ran the machine, and so this machine has dual controls, has remote or manual presence, and this swings out. Show me how the hell this springs out. Hold on. Go ahead.
This lever right here, latch, pull up on it.
Okay.
Grab this, swing it out, and
it locks in from here. All right. And then now let's show how we restart the stupid thing. So it's just key start, nothing, and then these are, what is it called, operator presence control. All right, so you have to have, and that brings up the light right there. There you go. This machine's got 4 hours on it. And then, in fact, I'll let you run that, you stand over here and show everybody how you start it up. So we start up with the key, got to have a hand on it.
on control, either or, doesn't matter. Press and hold the clutch engage button. Throttle up, engage the clutch automatically.
Auto automatically engages on pedal.
This hand when you move in, left or right.
Alright, left to right on this remote.
Swing left and right.
Alright.
And on the left control, left and right, it's up and down.
Up, left to right goes up and down. Alright. And then what's the proper shutdown?
Press this button one time, and it'll idle itself down in dissipation.
Alright, no problem. And then let me close this here. And then to make the machine go forward and back.
Forward and back. So you can press this button and You can use one knob and it'll go straight forward.
Like that locks both tracks, so it just tracks straight.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Then you can unpress that, and then you can move your left track
Or the right
or
track.
your right track.
Okay. So like when you're coming on it, putting it back on the trailer, it's best to, when you get right to where you want to be, press that button once.
Yep. Just like that.
And then that way you'll track up instead of trying to do, unless someone you're used to running a skid steer, then you know how to use your hand presence left and right, equal pressure.
Sure.
Get it on there.
So then this button right here,
Yeah.
move your tracks.
So that's my throttle right here.
Yeah.
And we have 3 positions. We got high, and low, and medium.
Medium. Yep.
Okay. All right. The tracks won't go in and out unless this is pulled back. So let's pull this back.
Yep.
And I'll tell everybody.
Back right here.
Yep.
Pull it back.
All right.
Pull this in.
All right.
And then now.
So to pull your tracks inside and out, you got to swing the control back over here, and then it'd be number 6.
Yep.
Right here. It tells you left or right to bring them in and out, and they'll slide. You see the machine sliding over there. And these tracks are aggressive, but they look good.
Small footprint.
Yeah, small footprint. Yeah. And so this goes from straight from a motor to a gearbox, and there'll be a shear pin in that shaft, which will probably be a grade 5, right? That tractors do on their brush hogs and all. And then to get access is just these bolts out of here, cover, and then you put your new shear pin in. And then this is just like this design's been around forever with the shield coming up. And then this is your new teeth system, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are those called?
It's a BCS 2.0.
BCS 2.0. Got it. Behind your shield, if you got a lever up here, you open it up, and there's your hydraulic filter. And there's your cooling for your hydraulic system, your battery, everything's easily accessible right here. And ultra low normal diesel. And so you have to lift this lid to fill it up anyway.
Yep.
There's no outside access. All right. So there you go. So I'm looking down, and you got some cat controls in here, but you know, that's for the mechanics to figure out deep down in there.
Yep.
All right. And this is the computer for the engine.
Yep.
All right, so there we have it. And then up here you have a whole diagram showing you all around the machine, the lubrications, and what fluids to use.
And it gives you a filter diagram track. It gives you all, if you need to call us for parts, it'll tell you everything you need right here.
Okay. Now, he just told me when you suck the tracks in to go through a narrow place, you cannot grind with the tracks sucked in to keep the machine from tipping over. And then you have to extend the tracks out, and then you're ready to grind. Y'all can hear me. All right, so, and what's this red button here? Do you know?
I do not.
You don't know?
I
bet you it's a hydraulic.
It's a hydraulic kill.
I don't even know. I never even seen this machine, but I'm figuring it out all on my own.
The max torque of this machine is 123 foot-pounds.
123 foot-pounds of torque, 48 horsepower, and in diesels, as everybody knows, we go by torque. Who cares about horsepower? That's why diesels, everybody runs diesels. I know I got another question for you. Okay, this sits on the classic to where the whole motor is separate from the chassis, and and the cutter wheel, everything's together, and it pivots on that one lower pin down there. At the weight of the machine, I know somebody's going to ask you, how much does this thing weigh? It weighs 3,750 pounds. How long is this?
The length of the machine is 140 inches.
140 inches long. So even my trailer will hold it. I got a 52-pound axle that's 12 foot long. It would haul it, you know.
The width of the machine is 35 inches.
35 inches with the tracks sucked in. It'll go through, so you got a free and clear 35.
And the width of the tracks out is 49 inches.
And 49 tracks wide. All right. Do you know what the manufacturer's suggested retail price of this is?
$76,000.
$76,000 for this?
Yes.
And the one you have, and this is Vermeer Great Plains, what would you sell this one for? Without getting in trouble. He's looking it up.
Hold on 1 second.
Drum roll. And the price is going to be, that's the manufacturer's list price, so every dealer is going to be a little bit different. So we're
65.
So 65,000 without tax here in Oklahoma. And this is located in Catoosa, Oklahoma, and it's Vermeer Great Plains. And I don't think you see here. And
Stephen Billups.
Stephen Billups. That's the one you're going to contact, and I'll put his phone number in the video for you. So I've had the pleasure. I didn't take him out to a great place, but I ground a stump over here in this one, and really wasn't a great place to justify grinding with it. But what I can tell you from running this machine, it's perfect employee machine because it grinds smooth and it keeps your employee out of trouble from swinging too fast, and it just takes a little bit of how you say, getting used to the controls, right?
For sure.
Because they're opposite of mine. On my Bandit 2550, I've got manual over hydraulic. This has manual over hydraulic also, but it's spun by joysticks, and then it also has a remote control that comes with it. So they're dual operator. You can have, if you want remote control machines, it comes with this machine. If you like manual, it's already on this machine. And mine's true manual over hydraulics. That one, it would be electric, right? Am I correct? Or
yep.
Okay, electric over hydraulics on these controls. Everything's it's really simple here on this control panel. This one doesn't have a blade.
Nope, it does not. This one does not.
Right, and the blade. And it is an option, right?
There is an option.
And the blade normally comes down in the back.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So that's another option you have. Well, this is model SC48TX. You can go to your dealer or call my dealer here, and he'll be glad to sell it to you. And all right, man. God bless you.